Today, let us have a discussion on easy methods in competitive entrance examinations such as JEE mains and CAT examination and bank POs and CGL examinations and railway recruitment boards and etc. So, first today let us concentrate on CERT chapter, CERTs. Basically the introduction of the CERTs we discuss in the earlier sessions or in coming sessions also in very clear manner, but in this session we just concentrate on the easy methods, we mean that is shortcut methods to be applied in competitive entrance examination. We know that in competitive entrance examination we have to crack the problem in some fraction of seconds. So, we need not waste the time for the problem. So, regarding that, actually keeping any of the time management, it had better to adopt some easy techniques has to be followed while solving such problems. So, now regarding the sorts, the first basically we can categorize the problems like this. The first one is problems on square roots. Problems on square roots. Second, problems on cube roots. Problems on cube roots. The next we have rationalization, rationalizing factors, rationalizing factors and some simple problems. Simple problems. So, now let us discuss on the square roots first. Square roots. How to find square root of a plus root b form. We know that a plus root b is the binomial surd, the square root of a binomial surd. See, let us take one example directly. The square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. Let us find out the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. For this problem, see how to find out the square root means. So, this 5 can be written as sum of the two numbers and here 6 is the product. So, that means we have to find out two numbers whose product is 6, whose sum is 5. So, that means 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Check it, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, answer we can write this is equal to root 3 plus root 2. So, let us try one more problem. The square root of now this is 12 minus or 12 plus 2 root 11. Here solution, the square root of 12 plus 2 root 11. Now 11 is a prime number. Do you know what are the factors of the prime number 11? We have only two, one is 1, other one is 11. So, 11 can be written 11 into 1. So, 11 plus 1 let us try, that is 12. Now, we know the answer here, root 11 plus root 1. Root 1 is 1. So, root 11 plus 1. Suppose if you want to find out the value like this, the value of square root of Now 5 minus 2 root 6. See, as the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 is root 3 plus root 2, it is very clear the square root of 5 minus 2 root 6 must be root 3 minus root 2. Here see, square root of this 5 minus 2 root 6, same procedure, 6 can be written 3 into 2, whereas 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, we can write answer is root 3 minus root 2. Always we have to consider positive square root. That means 3 is greater than 2. So, root 3 minus root 2 we have to write. We should not write root 2 minus root 3. So, now find the value of square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 plus square root of 5 minus 2 root 6. So, let us find out the value of square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 plus square root of 5 minus 2 root 6. Here see, already we know the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to, directly we can write root 3 plus root 2 plus this is root 3 minus root 2. What happens? These two gets cancelled. We have 2 root 3. So, let us have the discussion on what are the possible options we have. The possible options may be one of the options 2 root 3, or it may be given that the possible options, option A rational number, option B irrational number, option C whole number, option D natural number, like that may be given. So, if you see the answer here 2 root 3, 2 root 3 is nothing but a now irrational number. So, we have to select the option as irrational number. Next problem, one more problem, that is fourth one. The square root of the square root of 7 plus 4 root 3. How to find out square root of 7 plus 4 root 3? Here see, square root of 7 plus 4 root 3 means, now this 4 root 3 first we have to change. This 4 root 3 can be written as 2 times 2 root 3. Now this is 2 times 2 root 3 is nothing but root of 4 into 3, 12. So, this we can write square root of 7 plus 2 root 12. Now, here 12 is the product of the two numbers and 7 is the sum of the two numbers. So, 12 can be written 4 into 3, whereas 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So, answer will be root 4 plus root 3. So, this is equal to 2 plus root 3. Similarly, could you imagine what is the square root of 7 minus 4 root 3? That becomes 2 minus root 3. So, let us find out the value of root over 7 plus 4 root 3 plus root of 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay. Now, root of 7 plus 4 root 3 equal to root of 7 plus 2 root of 12. 12 can be written 4 3 ja 12, 4 plus 3 7, 2 plus root 3, this is root over 7 minus 4 root 3. This can be written 7 minus 2 root to 12, 2 root of 12. This is 2 minus root 3. Simply we have to add these two. So, this expression becomes, given expression becomes 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So, answer is 4. So, options may be like this. See, A option, irrational number, irrational number, B rational number, and C. Now negative integer, D 0. So, which is the correct option? Here 4 is nothing but a rational number. So, option will be B.